Hey everybody, Amplifier.com, 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe at the end. I really appreciate it. So here we have a Yaesu Fl2100b. Customer sent it in for repair. He said he bought it. I think he said on eBay or somewhere. So he turned it on. One of the grid loading resistors exploded. So I'll change both. I'll change the mica caps, resecure this cap, just hanging in there for the input. Replace the plate choke. Luckily I have a replacement. They are very hard to come by. Rotary switch contacts look good. Air variables look good. I have to clean that one. It's got some gunk in it. It's very rusty in here. I'll clean a little bit out of it. Some of it. So when I change the plate blocking capacitor, I'll change the parasitic suppressors. Put a grommet on the cord. SO239s are good. I'm going to check the rest of it. And I'll be back. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Amplifier.com. I'm back. So, got the Fl2100b. Changed the plate blocking cap. Changed the parasitic suppressors. Changed the plate choke with an original. Cleaned the rotary switches. Cleaned the air variable on the plate side. It was really dirty. Cleaned the nicotine off the fans. Replaced the grid loading resistors. The mica caps. Resoldered the cord, put a grommet on it, strain relief. I put a zip tie in to insulate to keep it off the transformer primary, actually secondary over here. So everything's soldered. I go to the ground lug over here. He had the ground, whoever did this, underneath the screw, just frayed. So this thing's all set. Thanks for watching. 203-892-4119. Just waiting on the resistor for the crowbar, and then this thing's all set. Take care. Merry Christmas.